Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to cancel an eBay shop subscription. If you're running a store on eBay, you might have subscribed to one of their shop plans to get benefits like lower fees, more listings, or branding tools. But there may come a time when you want to cancel that subscription. Maybe you're not using it enough, trying to cut costs, or switching your selling strategy. The important thing is knowing exactly where to go, because the option isn't always obvious if you haven't done it before. Start by opening eBay and logging into your account. Look at the top left corner and click on your profile icon or name. This opens your account menu. From the drop-down, click on Account Settings. This is where all your account configurations and subscriptions are managed. Inside Account Settings, find and click on Subscriptions. Here, you'll see all the services you're currently subscribed to. Now look for an option that says Review Store Benefits. Click on it. Clarification. This section shows details about your current eBay shop plan, including features and pricing. From here, you'll see your active subscription plan. Look for the option Cancel Subscription. Click on it. Follow any confirmation steps that appear. eBay may ask you to confirm your decision and choose a reason for canceling. Complete these steps and confirm. Clarification. Your subscription may remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, depending on eBay's policy. Using eBay effectively includes managing your subscriptions based on your needs and selling activity. To summarize, canceling your eBay shop subscription involves going to your profile, opening account settings, navigating to subscriptions, reviewing store benefits, and selecting Cancel Subscription. This allows you to stop your plan and avoid future charges. And that's how to cancel your eBay shop subscription. It's a straightforward process, but it's something you should approach thoughtfully. Before canceling, make sure you're actually not using the benefits. Sometimes the tools included in these plans can help you sell more and save on fees. But if it's not worth it for your current situation, there's nothing wrong with scaling back and keeping things simple. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.